What's up guys, the 2011 Porsche Boxster Spyder 987.2. This is a 2011 and 2012. A lot of people have wanted to know what suspension's on this car, so I wanted to take a little opportunity right now and tell you what's on there. On the screen right now, you're going to see the Bilstein PSS 9s. Those are the coilovers I have on the car. I've got the Tourette sway bars front and rear. I've got a bias where it's pretty much full tight in the rear and second from the loose in the front to give it an oversteer balance. I've got the RSS drop links front and rear that connect from the sway bar to the strut itself. On top of that, I've got the RSS lower control arms front and rear. And then on top of that, I've got RSS toe links front and rear. That's going to help with the bump steer on a lowered car. I'm sure you guys can see how low this car is. So whenever you hit a bump, you don't get a bump steer, which is when the steering wheel can pretty much jerk left or right over the bump. God, this thing revs so nice. Tires are cold. PSM's off. Woo! On top of that, I think that's pretty much it for the suspension. So we got the drop links, we got the toe links, the lower control arms front and rear, and the coilovers. The car is an absolute piece to drive. The reason why I did all that is because one day I drove a 2016 Porsche GT3RS. And the way that the steering input was, there was absolutely no delay. I got back on my Spyder and I said, fuck, like I want that feeling. So I pretty much converted every bushing and joint on here to a spherical bearing. It's been an absolute direct motoring experience. I have no regrets on there. Now you got to keep in mind that it is a little creaky at slow speeds, but once you start moving, it's totally amazing. All right, so we're using a little clutch to back out, a little reverse. All right, I'm on a hill right now. The tires on the car are Michelin Cup 2s. I have a fresh set on there right now, so there's pretty much no more sliding. They're way too grippy. And yeah, if you have any questions at all, put in the comment below, give a little thumbs up. And again, like even if you aren't ready to buy the suspension stuff today, man, it would mean the absolute world to me if you came back to this video in the future, whether you have 911 Cayman or Boxster, you'll use the links below. Man, it would like support my channel, support my dream. My goal here is to get over to Germany, start driving some Porsches at the factory. So, a little goes a long way, helps you guys out, helps me out, and helps the manufacturer out. I think it's a total slam dunk. If you have any questions again, let me know down below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.